The old way to clean your heat exchanger involved long shutdowns, harmful chemicals, and ongoing operating expenses. The new way begins with one little ball. This one little ball, and dozens like it, keeps heat exchanger tubes continuously clean. Here's how the Helios works. The balls start out in a collector that's connected to your heat exchanger or condenser through the system's main line. A window in the collector allows you to easily monitor the condition and amount of balls. The Helios includes an automated pump, which forces water through the pipes and into the collector, where the system periodically injects all of the balls into the inlet pipe at the same time. Then, normal system water flow carries the balls through the inlet pipe and into the main line. The balls go from the main line to the heat exchanger, where they are randomly distributed across the condenser tubes. The balls flow through the tubes at normal system flow velocity, and as the water pushes the balls through the pipes, they clean off residue, deposits, and buildup before it has a chance to take hold. As the balls exit the heat exchanger, they are collected in a ball trap that has no moving parts and offers no possibility for the balls to escape. Once the balls are in the trap, the controller opens the collection valves and the balls are carried back to the collector, where they are staged and prepared for the next injection cycle. It's amazing what one little ball can do. It saves energy, reduces maintenance, extends the life of your capital equipment, and optimizes heat transfer performance, saving you thousands of dollars every year. The Helios Tube Cleaning System from Innovus Technologies. See the clear savings for yourself.